So our ships are now deployed. Now this side is...
These learners are playing a game of battleships as part of a revision session on coordinates.
How are you going to go about giving the instruction? So what would you say?
Number across and number up.
Yeah, number across and number up. Would you be happy if he gave you that instruction? Okay, number across, number up, so far away. I try to start my sessions off with as little maths content as possible and then build the maths content. When you say maths and hit them with a subject, they either go, oh yeah, I like that one at school, or I don't like that one, I was never very good at that one, and that switches them off. So I think by introducing a game or an activity which feeds in then to the main topic, I think it goes, oh, we can do that.
3 across 2.
Did we spot anything with that one? We went 3 and 3. Okay. There's very little instruction I need to give, but as I watch, for example, someone count across 6 and 8 when the instruction given was 6 and 7, I can concentrate more on that person when we're doing the actual instruction a little bit later on and just see if there's any misconceptions that they've picked up to be able to remedy those later in the session for them. But to be honest, they actually picked up on those themselves as the group. They started to identify when it'd gone in the wrong box. So it's like allowing the group to manage themselves in that area.
You're getting involved and, you know, like it helps you a bit easier to what you're doing. If you play a game with like coordinates and like battleships, it like engages you and it makes you think more.
They all got the concept of the coordinates. So when I gave the graph paper out, I was fairly confident that they'd be able to transpose that to the graph paper, and looking round, they did that without much instruction at all, really. What we'd move on to next is introducing algebraic subject and looking at straight line graphs, so building on from there.